Ajumaises ni thine mwere tumaga mwekuru kana mware akethirwa akigwo rurubu nene kagita kage ni baeba mweri daktari narua no tariria na ndeno kone thine je amwe na njira cia gukandana nayo ndira mwekuru kana mware hari nayo.
The other condition is very close na endometriosis na also common ni problem yetawa adenomyosis. Remember kwira waringwa mbisha nontuba wena painful periods alafu wena adenomyosis. Adenomyosis neo ni kwithirwa kwena tissue eruta periods within the walls of the uterus. No, just like endometriosis, no kwewa there periods ikuma itena mantu akumira nukwa yewekenda kumake uterus kwa ne konenea na there kwena periods there kwena contraction ikewa negotima mwekuru egwa a lot of pain. The other cause ya painful periods ni kwithirwa mwekuru aina very common condition itoa pelvic inflammatory disease mono itawa PID na iwekeyania na inflammation ya within the pelvis yomba kwa ni pengine infection ndani ya nyomba ya mwana that is within the uterus. It will affect that part of the uterus taga periods nyo itawa endometritis nyo inorira mwekuru kwa ena periods na ena pengine na thina ya infection within the uterus ni can cause a lot of severe pain. Another cause ya severe painful periods ni rira mwekuru aikirwa coil. The first 2 months no when a lot of pain during periods known to work contraction of the uterus. Lakini normally kikawaida witakuwa after 2 months utakuwa wena that pain. Ukaya kwenda nukwenda kwa wena pain after 2 months ila mbakwa a possible cause ni kwenda pengine coil ila wekiretwe tuwa ne twekete dislocate ka utuka negarukite kana ya iwane kumunta side mo ya uterus. Kwa ukaya kwa wena coil na kwa wena a lot of pain there periods ni bwera kraidero kona kethera ga coil yomba kwa itwekete displaced yoma ke within the uterus kana yewa ne kwa ekemta side mo ya uterus. There are many possible causes ya painful periods lakini tugaibwera kethera mtu ina every painful periods akiwana kono Ndagitarî akono imba gynecologist kendomba kwa kishaona imbi kuwekereta pains ino na nata omba kwigwa agitetheka. Nata tumba kwa period pains are painful in some tugire remwe kwena very heavy pain very painful periods ndakwa irina sweating excessively kwana kwa nausea kana kwa kwena change in stools kana inyoka wanakuwa akiwa ina fainting yakwa taku wana kudhirirwa ninya kwa na go faint. That's a sign of painful periods na nabo ilikuwa akionekana.